Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make exactly over $10,000 a month on YouTube uploading really simple videos. It's basically a copy and paste method. Now if you do not want to make money online or get started to do something that can bring you money consistently, it's a basic rinse and repeat method, then just click off the video, go watch some other video, because this will only be for people who are serious about making money online. Because in this video I will show you step by step how to do it. This will be a complete full tutorial on how you can manipulate this system over and over again. I'll be giving you the free software to do it as well, all the sources which are all free to use. Okay, so it's really up to you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm on Social Blade right here, as you can see. Now this YouTube channel, at a minimum for a month, they make well over $10,000. Okay, the maximum amount they can make on their estimated monthly earnings, okay, is $162,000. Now I say estimated because YouTube ad revenue differs for the type of niche and channels, but they basically get from $5 up to $10 an hour for 1,000 views. Okay, and you guys can see that this channel is basically raking in the views, and they've got over 4.45 million subscribers, and this is just what they make in a day. Okay, that's like 364 views dollars, okay, in $5,800. Okay, that's just for a day, guys. Okay, now I will show you how to do these types of videos, how to create it very easily, simple. If you've got an hour a day or two, okay, you can do this. Okay, it does not take that long. I'll give you the software, as I said, for free, all the sources I use to grow a YouTube channel for free. And this is basically a rinse and repeat method. You can do this method over and over and over. Okay, but now let's get into it. Now the first thing we will need is basically sound effects. Now this website right here, SoundJ, they let you use their sounds. Okay, so you are allowed to use the sound on a website free of charge and royalty free in your projects, but you are not allowed to post the sounds on any websites for others to download. Okay, so this is really awesome. You can use it in your videos, and YouTube doesn't really allow people to download this stuff. Okay, so but what you're gonna do, people don't want to download this, they just want to listen to it and relax. Now here in the rain sound effect, they've already got 7 videos. I'll give you the website link in the description. They've also got other nature sounds such as ocean, waves, beach, rainforest, and other stuff. Okay, and wind. So you can download it for yourself. Now here's in rain, there's already 7. So this is 7 potential videos that you can create around this topic. Now I'm going to show you how to 2 times this method. I've noticed that this channel, they are not exploiting their niche to the fullest extent, and they are leaving money on the table. This is how I came I came onto this, because I'm also looking into starting a similar channel like this. I do love YouTube. Okay, I've currently got about 8 channels running, so this might be my number 9. Hopefully not. Okay, but they are leaving some money on the table, but I will show you close to the end of the video just how much money you can make more with something that they are not fully exploiting. Okay, but the next thing we will need is a video. Now since it's rain sounds, I came over to Pixabay, which gives you free stock videos and free stock pictures for you to use. Okay, so I searched rain and this is what I got. Because I already downloaded the audios and I gave them some names. Now this is a rain house exterior. Okay, so the person will be looking from the interior to the exterior. So this is what you want. I love this. It's a nice bokeh look. Bokeh means like out of focus. Okay, and also you will need a thumbnail. Okay, it's the same website. Now you just go, when you go to search, you just change from videos to images and also put in a rain. Okay, so get a picture that is very similar to your videos picture. So this one right here, okay, rain, this is really awesome. Take this picture, okay, download it. Now we will look at the video editing software, which is 100% free. There is no need to sign up to use this software. There is no signing up, giving your email or anything to these guys where they will continuously spam your inbox with emails. This is 100% free, and once you download the video editing software, you will also be getting the free screen recorder. Okay, so this is the website name is videosoftdev.com. It's basically the VSDC video editing software. Okay, so you can come here, download it. It doesn't take a lot of CPU usage to run. Okay, so once you've installed it, okay, I use Movavi. I'll show you how to edit with this now. Okay, I don't use VSDC, but I'll just show you real quick because this is basically the same. Now the first thing you need to do is add your audio. Now that's your audio right there, and that's your audio. We can just have a quick listen to it. Now pause. Now we need the video. Just go back here. Traffic. Okay, so we're at the video. Now let it start as it does, but then what we need to do is come back here to the end. Let's just get a little closer look at this. Right here, we cut it off completely. Okay. No, I did it wrong. To start here. First we copy. Then we cut, we delete, and then we paste. Now let's just listen to this. Doesn't sound right, does it? Okay, but it doesn't matter. This is what we're going to do. You're going to go in a few seconds into the audio and cut it. Okay, cut it. Now I need to go back here a bit to bring this audio up. And I do not want them next to each other, so just listen to this. I don't want it there, I want it here. Okay, so they can synchronize with each other. You hear that? Okay, so awesome. Now we copy the video only, but it will give us the audio. I'll just remove any audio that comes with it. This part of the video as well. Okay, and there you have it. Now if you can do this for at least maybe until it just copy and paste the whole thing. Okay, now if you can do it up to maybe like this video right here, it's 8 hours, it will be really awesome. But you can go a minimum of about 1 hour, half an hour maybe. Okay, but it doesn't really matter. As long as you get your video over 10-15 minutes. There's these types of videos because people tend to watch this all the way through. They'll probably watch your full 8 hours because they'll relax with this. What they'll do is they'll study with this music and stuff like that. Okay, so doesn't really matter, but I would recommend doing it maybe for 3 or more hours. Okay, so now the next tool you will need is TubeBuddy. Now go to your YouTube channel and upload the video. Okay, so once the video is fully uploaded and processed, or while it's busy doing that, you need to go over to the competitive video, which is Yellow Brick Cinema or any other one with the most views. Now you will need to download and install TubeBuddy onto your browser. Okay, so this is TubeBuddy. You only need the free version. That's all you need to do is install the free version. You don't need the paid version. Doesn't go with the complete disregard of what anyone else tells you. They just want you to spend money on them. So just get the free version. Now once it's installed, this is what you will see on YouTube. On every specific video you will go to, it will show you the metrics, the tags and everything. Now this is what we want. Now the first thing we need to do is copy their title. Okay, so we copy their title. Just do it properly. We copy their title. We paste it there and we paste it in the description. Important, title and in the description. Now we look at their description. Now we can rewrite this whole description to fit our narrative. Okay, so we can copy this and just rewrite it, but the best thing to do with this is basically copy this, paste it onto a Word document and rewrite it for your channel and your channel name. Your channel name also needs to fit the content that you are putting out on YouTube. So rewrite everything here, then paste it in the description. Now another thing to do is look at the hashtags right here. There's also functions like a search query, so it comes up under your video. Now YouTube only takes the first 3 hashtags. Now they've been doing the hashtags completely wrong. Now your hashtags need to be the same as your video. If your video is about rain, relaxing rain sounds for studying, you put that in as a hashtag right at the bottom of your description. Okay, so hashtag no spaces, rain music or whatever. Okay, then just copy and paste it underneath your description. Then the last thing you do is go over to the TubeBuddy tab right here. Look at their SEO. They've got 95 out of 100. We need to get to 100. Okay, so it tells you exactly here where they went wrong. Tags in title and description. Okay, so they short some of the search tags, which is this here. Now you basically just click copy to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard. Now what you do is under your whole description, under your hashtags, just paste it there, and also upload your thumbnail right here. Then go down, add to a playlist if you've got a playlist, and then go down some more and you'll see here paid promotion and tags. Just come to tags, right click, paste, also select no, this video is not made for kids, otherwise you will not be able to monetize your video in the future. And that is basically it, guys. Wait for your video to upload completely. Edit your video elements such as end screens and all of those. Edit your visibility. Okay, so this is the elements. Just edit the end screens and your cards. If there's similar videos you would like to recommend, add them in the info cards. And then visibility, make it public. Now once your video is public, go over to your video, come back to view your YouTube channel as a user, grab your tag, copy. Now one trick that most YouTubers will not tell you is that you need to let the search engines know that your video is live. You need to let Google index your video on YouTube's website. Okay, so also YouTube will start promoting your video in minimal amounts, but it's better than not doing this. So the website name is DupliChecker. I will leave this complete link in the description. It's a search engine pinging tool. Now what you do is come over here, right click, paste your video link and select your category. Now your category, if you're going to do that type of channel, is going to be basically health and beauty, or hobbies and collectibles, okay, or outdoors or whatever. So select any of those 3 categories and run the ping tool. Okay, ping URL now. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to complete up to 100%, but your video should be uploaded and pinged to the relevant search engines worldwide. Now for my final trick here. Now just look at this black screen. Now how I came onto this is when I use my search tool, my search finder tool. I use a Video Marketing Blaster, and it suggested to me that the black screen. Okay, so there's been tons and tons of search queries for black screen. That's why I say that Yellow Brick Cinema is leaving money on the table here, and this is basically where you can also get another source of viewers, which basically means that you will be uploading videos about rain effects, and also a video with the same sound but basically a black screen. Now doing the black screen is very easy. You just add the audio. You do nothing else but add the audio. Okay, you do nothing else but add the audio. Now basically the same ways I show you now. Just cut a little off here. Okay, not at the end here, but yeah, at the end as well, but just copy, paste, cut a little off at the start and down at the back right here, like that. You can do that for up to basically the same amount of time, an hour, really minimum an hour, but I would recommend 3 hours or more. And then you would basically have the same video twice, just the sound that's the same, but for a different market of people, because not everyone wants to see this. Some people want the black screen, complete black screen. So look at this, 6.8 million views, 2.29 million views, 1.2 million views. You guys can really crack in the market here. If you are doing this consistently every day for the next 6 months, you will, I guarantee you will see success, guys. Just keep at it. Don't lose hope. You don't have to upload every day, but upload at least 3 times a week, so the algorithm can pick you up. Because the more content you have and the more highly optimized you are, the better for you. Okay, so that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I will be leaving links to all resources down in the description. I would really enjoy it if you guys give this video a like. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, because I will be showing you some real honest ways to make money online. It's not a 6 clicks, $1 million, or overnight some other crappy bullshit. This is real ways. I'm trying to help people here, and I'm glad if you watch till the end of this video, because it means that this information is already sunk into you and you just need to take action, which starts today. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.